Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to flip an image in Photopea. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we need to do is come to photopea.com. And then we just want to go ahead and get our image uploaded. Once that's uploaded, what we're going to do is just come across and click the image option at the top of the page. And then we're going to come down to the transform option. And then if you look, you've got the two options there to flip horizontally or flip vertically. So we just go ahead and click the one we want. So that's flipped it horizontally, flip that back. And you've also got the option to flip vertically as well, like so. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link in the video description down below. If you give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.